Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now after the button block, the next improvement that we are going to discuss has been introduced in the tag cloud block. Now for this, let's just head over to WordPress 5.9 and see all of the all of the changes there first, and then we'll do a comparison of it in WordPress 6.0. Now you can see this is 6.0 styles missing right over here. So the first thing that you will see is that the tag cloud block in WordPress 5.9 is quite basic and has no styling option. So first things first, that is missing, no styling, and styles are available right over here. The next change that you will notice is that there is a smaller size and the larger size option available right over here. These are for the fonts. Now this option is missing in the tag cloud block in WordPress 5.9 as well. So these are the two changes, basically style and the smaller size and larger size missing in WordPress 5.9. So these have been introduced in WordPress 6.0. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.